Ever driven into an area with weak signals and suddenly lost navigation? Whether you're heading to the mountains, traveling abroad, or just driving through a rural area, losing data can be stressful. The good news is your iPhone 17 lets you download maps in advance so you can still navigate, even without cellular data or Wi-Fi. Here's how to download maps for offline use on the new iPhone. First, open the Maps app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu, tap Offline Maps. Here, you will see all your previously downloaded maps. Beneath the list, tap Download New Map. You'll see an adjustable box on the screen. Move and resize the box to cover the city, state, or specific area you want to download. Once you've selected the area, tap Download. Your iPhone will begin saving that map to your device for offline access. Below the map preview, you'll also see a few useful options. You can turn on automatic updates so your downloaded maps stay current without needing to manually download them again. You can also enable optimized storage, which automatically removes map data you haven't used in a while to free up space. If you know you'll be somewhere with unreliable internet, you can turn on Only Use Offline Maps. This ensures maps won't attempt to use cellular data while navigating. Once downloaded, you can navigate, search for places, and even view details like business hours without needing an internet connection. Repeat these steps anytime you want to download maps for future destinations. And that's it. If this video helped you prepare for your next trip with offline maps on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more useful features you can use every day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.